This week, our little learners became official junior meteorologists.
What's the weather? What's the weather of today?
We explored wild weather, from the roar of a thunderstorm to the icy winds of a blizzard.
The first one is the thunderstorm. If the thunder will happen, it will take all the stars and go away. Thunderstorm, hurricane, drizzlers.
The kids practiced staying safe by building their very own weather safety kits, complete with flashlights, snacks,
Some snacks.
and magical survival tools.
Also songs.
We also mastered our weekly phonics, practicing Zip, Zap, Zoom, and finding words that start with O, T, and D.
Octopus, tree, dinosaur,
The highlight? Our tornado in a jar experiment. With a little glitter, dish soap, and vinegar, we watched a tiny vortex spin right in our hands. It was a week of big science and even bigger fun.